And welcome to the second grading period, International Studies students. I know some of you have been with us for the entirety of the journey thus far, and some of you are just joining us, starting with the second grading period of the school year here. Welcome everyone. Anyways, I am looking at a student view of Canvas at the moment. Your Canvas class page will look a little bit different. However, for the most part, it's relatively similar. Everything here on the left, if you were in class for the first grading period, you'll realize that there were many more options for you to choose from. I think that some students, not necessarily in this class, but some students were kind of getting lost in the shuffle. There was just too much. They would click on assignments and they would say they can't find the assignment. Well, the assignments are typically uh, described within the Google slide presentation that I embed into the class every week. So what you need to do to find your stuff is you need to click on modules. So every week you'll come in and click on modules after you watch this video announcement. And then you will go down. Okay. It says week 9, Southwest Asia. Well, I'm going to change this to say week 10 because it's actually week 10 of class. We're in the first week of the second grading period. And this week we're focusing on the Mideast, Southwest Asia. You click on the first part of the module. It's going to bring you to a Google Slides presentation. This is like your digital online textbook. This will have all of your information on the Mideast for the week. Click through, read this stuff, look it over, and then every once in a while, you will find an assignment. All right, so this is one of those assignments. I was listening to the news last week and I heard about this robot named Sophia that was created by this Asian company. And anyways, Saudi Arabia actually gave this robot, Sophia, citizenship to their country. She's the first robot citizen in the world. There's a short video here introducing you to Sophia. On the next page, there's a discussion board assignment. So what I want you to do is look at the video on the previous page and then think about these different questions. What was your initial reaction to this story? How do you think you would react to it if you were a woman living in Saudi Arabia? How about if you were working in Saudi Arabia as a migrant worker from a different country? What if you were part of Saudi Arabia's LGBT community, which is a very underground thing because, as you'll learn, the penalties for engaging in homosexual activity in Saudi Arabia is pretty grim. So, and what do you think? Do you think it was right for Saudi Arabia to give citizenship to a robot or not? So, you'll notice that there's a section in the module where you're going to post your answers. And that's right here. Post your answers there on the discussion board. When you're finished reading and looking over the rest of that slideshow presentation, pardon me, there's a quiz to take. I think you can take it as many times as you want to get the score that you want on it. Just know that all assignments are worth 4 points. 4 is an A, 3 is a B, 2 is a C, 1 is a D, and 0 is an F. And anytime you get anything less than a 4, you can improve your grade by resubmitting your work or emailing me, making a comment in the assignment. So take the quiz, answer the discussion board question. The second part of the actual presentation is looking at the conflict that exists between Israel and Palestine. And what I want you to do is research the two-state solution and tell me what it is. Tell me whether you think it's a viable option. Please be thorough. Explain, explain, explain. Approach it as if you are talking with someone who has no idea what the conflict is between the two countries, has zero idea what the two-state solution is. Break it down real nice for me. And inside the Google Slides presentation, there'll be links that you can use for your research. You don't have to use them, but they're there. And there's also a short video on the conflict between the Israelis and the Palestinians. So that pretty much makes up the week. Quiz, short quiz that you obviously can retake, discussion board assignment, and a little research assignment on the two-state solution. So welcome to the second grading period, and I hope to talk to you soon. And let me know if you have any questions at all regarding what's going on this week in class. All right, take care.